Due to the repurposing of the area field, all saved searches will need to be updated to use city, zip code, or map-based. To do this on Paragon, simply pull up any contacts you have with active auto email notifications. Click on the name of the contact to open up the full profile. Click on the buyer activity folder on the left and select the saved search you want to edit. A little bit to the right, you will see the edit search option. When you have all the criteria up, remove any input values that you may have in the area field, and then input what you want in the city, zip code, or a shape in the map search field. Once you're done with the criteria updates, you can click on Save Search and close the tab. To do this on Connect MLS, go to the My Clients option on the top right. Click on the name of the client you want to edit. Click on the Searches tab to view all saved searches, then click on the Pencil Edit button. This will open up the search criteria, and from here remove any input values that you may have in the area field. Then input what you want in the city, zip code, or a shape on the map search field. When you're done, click on the Save Search icon on the right, and then select Save Changes. For more information, please visit the links in the description of this video or contact us at support@bridgemls.com. Thank you.